Good morning to all. Let us complete the exercise that is check for understanding. That is chapter name is factorization. Chapter name is factorization. This is the last exercise just for your check your progress type. Check is for understanding. Number one, factorize the following by taking out common factor method. There are 6 questions are there. Let me solve some question from this exercise. That is from the book. Book name is Innovative Mathematics, class 9. Okay. As for latest 2022 ICSE syllabus, check for understanding. Factorize the following by taking out common factor method. Question number 1, first part given 5a square minus 25 a square b. Okay, there are 3 questions are there. Just to see how much you can take common one by one, solving one by one. Let's see. Question number 1, first part 5a square minus 25 a square b. So from here it is clear that 5 you can take common, a square here a square you can take common, 5 a square taken common. After taking common 5 a square, what is left here? Only 1 left, minus 5, 5 is 25 means 5 a square taken common, b left, 1 minus 5. This is the answer. Just taking common. Second part, question given 12x plus 48 x square y. So from here you can take 12 common, 12 and x also you can take common. What is left here? 1 left. It will be 12, 4 is 48, means 4 left. Out of x square you have taken x common, here x left and y left. 1 plus 4 xy. This is the answer of number 1, second part. Next, third part. Third part question given 2pq plus p square minus p. So from here it is clear that you can take p common. What is left here? 2p square plus p minus 1. Now p is outside. Here you have to apply middle term breaking. Multiplication minus 2, addition plus 1. That means 2p square plus 2p minus p minus 1 by using middle term breaking. P is outside. From first 2 you have to take 2p common, left p plus 1. From the last 2 you have to take minus 1 common, p plus 1. Now p and this p plus 1 taken common, p whole into p plus 1. What is left here? 2p and minus 1. 2p. That means there are 3 factors are here. P whole into 2p whole into p plus 1 and 2p minus 1. Okay, let us go number 2. Question number 2. What is given? Question number 2. Same process. Factorize the following by the grouping method. Means you have to group. There are 4 things are given, 4 terms are given. After grouping, you have to take common. Let us see one by one. Number 2, first part. Question given 3pr plus 7qr minus 3ps minus 7qs. Okay. The 3pr minus plus 3pr plus 7qr. From here you can take r common from first 2. It is left 3p plus 7q. From the last 2 you have to take common minus s. What is left? 3p plus 7q. 3p plus 7q, take it outside. 3p plus 7q and r minus s. This is the answer of number 2, first part. Second part. Just the second part what is given. Second part it is given x square minus a minus 3 into x minus 3m. First of all, you have to open the bracket, the middle one. That will be minus mx plus 3 into x, 3x minus 3m. From the first two, you have to take x common. What is left here? X left here minus m, x minus m. Plus n. This last two you have to take 3 common. X minus m. X minus m, take it outside. What is left? X plus 3. X plus 3. In this way, number 2 second part also completed. Number 2 third part. See third part what is given here. Number 2 third part question given 2ab square minus aby plus 2cby minus cy square. You have to make the group first of all. So from the first two you have to take common how much? You see, AB you can take common. After taking AB common, what is left here? 2 left here and 1b left here. Minus AB taken common and y left, 2b minus y. From the last two you have to take common cy. Cy taken common. What is left here? 2b left minus 1y left, 2b minus y. Now see 2b minus y taken common. What is left here? AB plus cy. AB plus cy left. This is the answer of number 2 third part. Next see number 2 fourth part. The first part question given 9a whole into x minus 2y whole to the power 4 minus 12a x minus 2y whole to the power whole cube. First we say 9a and here 12a. You can take 3a common. And here x minus 2y whole to the power 4, x minus 2y whole to the power cube. Means x minus 2y whole cube you can take common. What is left here? 1, 3 left. Out of 9a you have taken come 3a, 3 left here. And x minus 2y whole cube taken common means 1 x minus 2y left. Minus 3 4 ja 4 left here. And x minus 2y whole cube taken common. Now this is 3a whole into x minus 2y whole cube. This is 3x minus, just opening the bracket, 3x minus 6y, 3 to the 6 and minus 4. This is the answer of number 2 fourth part. In this way, number 1 all the 3 part question, number 2 all the 4 part question completed. Next I will do from number 3. Okay, try to practice this sum. Thank you for today's class.